In this video, I'm going to show you how to get buy and sell indicators on TradingView. Now to do this, you want to go to indicators up top, and of course over here you can look for whatever. I'm just going to look for buy, sell over here, and as you can see there's going to be a bunch of different ones. Now you can use whichever one of these you want. There's one called buy and sell signal, for example. I'm going to click on it over here, and there we go. It's going to give me like an indicator, which is like a buy and sell indicator over here. You can see the buys and sells over here on my chart directly. Okay, of course there's a bunch of different ones over here. You could use something like super trends, pivot trends, buy sell indicators, etc. There's going to be a lot of different ones. Just pick one that of course helps you with whatever strategy you're currently using in your trading view. Okay, so that's kind of the indicator, but of course make sure you do your own analysis before you actually take any action as well. This is just kind of a video on how to add that specific indicator. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.